Welcome to this channel, Pleasurable Learning SuperMemo. I think now it's the time for the fourth phase of this channel, and let me tell you why. What you will find from now on, and what you won't find anymore in this channel. So first of all, let me remind you, this channel is Pleasurable Learning, then SuperMemo. I have another channel, just Pleasurable Learning, about how learning must be pleasurable and free and so on. And this channel is about how to actually use one software, in this case SuperMemo, to use free learning. I have been doing about 200 videos, very specific, very arcane and almost unused feature that almost no one will ever use. So what's the point of doing that? I'm spending much of my time recording and editing those videos. So what I will do from now on, based on the little feedback I got, is to do videos about what people are requesting. Because I'm doing these videos not for myself, but for other people. That is, what is similar with Anki, or perhaps not targeted to SuperMemo users or newbie SuperMemo users, but potential users. So they're still browsing the idea, what is SuperMemo? Oh, let me watch a video that it will elucidate, clear things up, what it is and what's not. Because even myself have experienced this. When I try SuperMemo, I have a very wrong assumption, idea of what it was. Next is I will also cover SuperMemo Assistant. I know there's a YouTube channel with SuperMemo community that covers this, but it's kind of inactive, and SuperMemo Assistant had some updates recently, so why not doing those videos? This will help more people. And I also talked to the add-on developer, and he's up for it, so. And just remember that if you want a fast track in record time, you can get tutoring service, one-on-one sessions, link in the description. Don't hesitate to drop a comment and see you around.